Computer Plotter produces precise large-format drawings for engineering, architecture, and design projects. My today's video is about top 5 best car hubcaps that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at HP Computer Plotter. This large-format plotter printer is an excellent choice for professionals who demand precision and clarity. It's ideal for technical line drawings, detailed renders, posters, maps, and professional sewing patterns, delivering sharp lines and crisp text every time. With support for media rolls up to 24 inches wide and sheets up to 13 by 19 inches using the optional feeder, it offers impressive flexibility for both large and wide format projects. Media handling is smooth and efficient with sheet feed, roll feed, and an automatic horizontal cutter. It automatically manages multi-size projects without requiring manual media switching, saving valuable time. Cost efficiency is another highlight, using significantly less ink for routine maintenance compared to many competitors. The included HP Click software simplifies printing with PDF error detection, auto-nesting, and easy drag-and-drop functionality. With Gigabit Ethernet, USB, Wi-Fi connectivity, and mobile control via the HP Smart App, managing print jobs from virtually anywhere is effortless and convenient. Now our second product is Natwind Computer Plotter. This heavy-duty printer workstation is a reliable and practical solution for professional printing environments. Built with a durable wooden top and reinforced steel tubing, it offers exceptional strength and long-term stability. The added diagonal support bars ensure a rock-solid structure, making it ideal for securely holding wide-format printers, CAD plotters, and other large equipment. Designed as an all-in-one storage solution, it features an adjustable paper roll holder, a convenient accessory drawer, height-adjustable shelves for organizing printed drawings, and a pull-out fabric pouch for easy print collection. The spacious 47.2-inch by 18.5-inch desktop provides ample room to operate multiple machines at once, creating an efficient production workstation. The built-in power outlet with 3 AC sockets, USB, and Type-C ports adds modern convenience, while the 5-foot power cord allows flexible placement. With industrial-grade 360 degrees lockable wheels, this stand moves smoothly and stays stable during operation. Our third product is HP Computer Plotter. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9720E is an outstanding choice for offices that demand professional quality color prints. Whether you're producing floor plans, mood boards, or detailed spreadsheets, it delivers vibrant, screen-accurate results with impressive speeds of up to 22 ppm black and 18 ppm color. As the world's first wide-format printer with P3 color gamut support, it produces richer, more precise colors compared to standard sRGB printers. HPAI ensures perfectly formatted prints by removing unwanted web content and preventing awkward layouts, saving both paper and time. Upgraded features like automatic two-sided printing, an auto-document feeder, copy functions, and dual 250 sheet trays enhance productivity in busy workplaces. With HP Plus activation, you receive 3 months of instant ink for added convenience. Built-in HP Wolf Pro security safeguards your data, while its sustainable design uses over 30% recycled plastic. Overall, it's a secure, efficient, and eco-conscious office printing solution. Now number 4, Tattmuse Computer Plotter. This portable thermal printer is a game-changer for professionals on the go. Featuring an advanced dual-zone print head with plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius temperature lock, it delivers 99% uniform print density for crisp, sharp documents, far superior to standard mobile printers. Its thermal direct technology ensures 100% inkless printing, eliminating cartridges, toner, or ribbons for a cleaner, more sustainable mobile office. The double-tap auto paper return function prevents jams effortlessly, reversing stuck paper automatically and saving time and frustration. Cool charging technology extends battery lifespan up to 4 times, allowing reliable use during travel or long workdays without worrying about overheating or battery degradation. Despite being 15% lighter than similar mobile printers, it doesn't compromise performance. Bluetooth connectivity, rapid printing, and long-lasting battery make it highly convenient for laptops, phones, or tablets. Compact yet full-featured, this thermal printer combines portability, efficiency, and premium functionality, making it an ideal choice for professionals who need high-quality printing wherever their work takes them. And our last choice is OMTech Computer Plotter. The OMTech UV printer is a powerful solution for businesses seeking high-speed, high-quality commercial printing. With an impressive 2.4 m/hour printing speed, 400 mm per second printhead movement, and 1770 mm per second acceleration, it dramatically increases productivity and helps complete more orders efficiently. Its professional-grade print quality is enhanced by CMYK plus white plus gloss/varnish support, combined with an open ink platform and durable UV inks. This ensures vivid colors, strong abrasion resistance, and excellent adhesion without being tied to costly proprietary ink systems. The large 13.8 x 17.7 inch printing area and 5.5 inch height allow direct printing on wood, acrylic, metal, glass, and leather, expanding customization opportunities. Smart features like AI HD image optimization, automatic background removal, and one-click white and gloss printing simplify workflow and reduce manual adjustments. Dual F1080 printheads deliver 720 by 1440 dpi sharp details, while automatic printhead cleaning, protective ink circulation, and low VOC inks ensure stable, safe, and cost-effective operation for demanding commercial environments. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.